Hi guys, I hope you haven't forgotten me because of this.
Let's get started. 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 Come on. Let's get started.
In case you did or are new here, my name is Rahul and I'm the co-founder of Fourme.co, where we discuss all about fitness and gourmet. March is National Nutrition Month, and this is the time when people generally fall behind on their resolutions and goals. As a nutritionist, our clients often ask me a variety of questions. So for today's video, I have handpicked few of them. So these are the top 7 questions you should ask your nutritionist. Question 1. I'm new to this whole nutrition thing. Where do I start? Starting anything new takes courage and patience. In case of a change in your nutrition, there is a possibility of your surroundings being an obstacle. Keep 3 things in mind when you start. Number 1. Stay low-key. Firstly, and this comes from my own experience, don't ever disclose to people when you're starting a new nutrition plan. Know your current body weight and based on that decide your goal. Number 2. Reduce highly processed foods. Foods that go through a lot of processing, such as ready-to-eat fast foods like sausages and nuggets, contain a lot of fillers and preservatives. Reduce these foods gradually. Number 3. Increase protein and veggies. Add more protein from both plant-based as well as meat-based sources. Focus more on green and colorful vegetables. Question 2. What is a diet? What is the best diet out there? Diet is not a magical word. What you eat on a daily basis is your daily diet. The question is whether or not it's a good one. A good diet depends on a variety of factors, most important being your health and your nutrition goals. Different diets have different nutrient requirements which are directly based on your goals. So the best diet is which suits you and you can follow without any stress. Question 3. Do I need to count calories? Calorie counting is boring and tedious. That being said, don't completely neglect your daily calorie count, but stop focusing only on the calorie gain. For example, 100 gram of cheese contains lesser calories than 100 gram of traditional chips. Cheese also contains micronutrients that are absent in a packet of chips. Another example, a whole avocado contains more calories than a single patty burger, but the quality of nutrients is much better in an avocado than in a burger. Focus more on the type of calories than number of calories. Quality over quantity always. Question 4. I worked out for an hour. Now I can have whatever I want, right? That's an incorrect way of thinking. Say you worked out for an hour in the gym, losing about 600 calories. Then you went out with your friends and had a meal at a restaurant. You consumed roughly the same calories as you burned in the gym. So the answer is no. You cannot eat whatever you want after working out. Just like you won't add the wrong fuel to your car, you cannot expect your body to perform eating only junk food. Question 5. Should I take nutritional supplements? It depends on multiple things. You don't need to buy any if your daily protein and micronutrient requirements are getting fulfilled through your daily diet. Supplements come into the picture if your daily diet is insufficient in providing these necessary nutrients. Also, if you don't have the budget, don't force yourself or your parents to buy any of them. Question 6. Are nutritionists worth it? And how can a nutritionist help me? Oh yes, they are. And I'm not saying it because I am one. You'll get most of the information on the internet. But a certified nutritionist is going to guide you better on what, when and how to eat. Nowadays, many influencers and self-proclaimed trainers, coaches are there to bless you with their knowledge. But not all of them are certified or trained to guide you. Short answer. You don't perform surgery or prescribe medicine on your own. You go to the specialist. Do the same with regards to your nutrition.
Question 7. What is a healthy weight range for me? Weight is never the same. It keeps fluctuating. So don't focus on a particular number. Instead, focus on maintaining your ideal weight range. For example, say your height is 170 centimeters. Subtracting 100, your weight comes to 70 kgs. Your ideal weight range then comes to 65 to 75 kgs. Let's have a recap. Alright guys, so these are the top 7 questions you should ask your nutritionist. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions in your mind. If you find this video really informative, like this video. If you and your friend are planning to start a nutrition plan, Share this video with them. Lastly, if you are new to this channel, subscribe immediately and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thank you for watching. As always, stay fit, stay happy.